Hey everyone, it's Adam with UploadWP.com and welcome to the next video in our series on customizing the WooCommerce checkout page. In some of our previous videos we talked about how to change the label on fields as well as the placeholder within the fields. We covered how to make fields required and not required, but in this video I want to show you how to add a completely custom field to the checkout page and then properly validate that field so that when the checkout form is posted, your new field is saved to the order and is mapped properly. We're going to add a custom field that's going to show up underneath this order notes field right here. So to do that, let's just go ahead and log into the WordPress admin, and then we're going to go to appearance and then editor, and that will take us to our style sheet for the child theme that we currently have installed. And just a reminder to always use a child theme when making updates to the style sheet or the functions.php file or any file. So I'll click on the functions.php file here. We're just going to go ahead and paste in some new functions. Alright, so what this will do is this will add the custom field to the checkout form, and I'm just going to go ahead and update the file. Alright, and then let's go to the site, refresh the page, and the new field should show up right here. Okay, so there's the new field. So if I wanted to change this, or change the label right here, or change the placeholder, I'll show you how to do that. You'll see right here my field. I could change that to say whatever I wanted to. Let's just say my custom field. It's set to H2. If I wanted to set that to H3, I could do that as well. Alright, and then the label you'll find right here. It says fill in this field. Right here is the label, fill in this field. If I wanted to change that, I could change it my custom label. And then the placeholder, enter something. I'll just leave that the same, but you could change that as well in the same way. Go ahead and update that file. Okay, and then go out to the site and let's refresh it, and then you should see the changes I just made show up right here. So you can see that the title of this field has changed to my custom field. The label has changed, and I left the placeholder the same. But that shows you how you could change, or that shows you how you can customize it for whatever you need to change that to for your specific custom field that you're adding. Now the next step, now that we have a custom field out on the checkout page, that's great, but we need to make it actually work and function so that when this form is submitted, it actually posts to the order. And to make it work, it's just really a matter of pasting in some more PHP. So if I go back into the functions.php and then just add that, okay, what this will do is this is actually going to make it function, and it's going to make it a required field so that if it's not filled out, they will get an error message saying please enter something into this new field. You could change this to whatever you want. Alright, and then I'm going to add one more thing so that it actually will be saved to the order when the checkout page is posted. So if I go ahead and paste that in, that's just the final thing. I'm going to go ahead and update the file. So now we have a new custom field that's functional and will be saved when this checkout form is posted. So if you go to the full version of this tutorial out on UploadWP.com, you'll find other videos related to customizing the WooCommerce checkout page, and you'll also find the code that I pasted into the functions.php file here so that you can just copy and paste it and then go ahead and create your custom fields or create multiple custom fields on the checkout page if that's what you need to do for your specific WooCommerce site. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. If you have questions, the best way to reach us is by posting a comment on the full version of the tutorial out on our site. So thanks again. My name is Adam, and we'll see you on the next video.